in the air with your blind self. That's all right, Antoine.
Foul, 44, Antoine Henderson, his second.
You knew it was going to come anyway. They going to foul you regardless. It don't matter what you do. You already know.
Connor Raritan at the line.
Just get the rebound and don't let them get it back. And don't start that putting him on the bench either, because he made one mistake. Don't start that.